Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enter a Tinder promo code to unlock special offers or features. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer. This method works through the Tinder website, so you'll need to access it via a desktop or laptop browser rather than the mobile app. Once your browser is open, navigate to tinder.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to Tinder's main website where you can access various account settings and features that aren't always available in the mobile app. Once you're on the Tinder homepage, you'll need to scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling until you reach the footer section of the website where you'll find several helpful links and resources. This is where Tinder places important information and support options for users. Look carefully through this section until you spot the FAQ option. This stands for Frequently Asked Questions and contains answers to common user queries and various account management tools. Now, directly under the FAQ section, you'll see a link labeled Promo Code. Click on this link to proceed to the promo code entry page. This dedicated page is specifically designed for users who have received promotional codes from Tinder or through partnership offers. Clicking this link will redirect you to a new page where you can input your code. On the promo code page, you'll see a text field where you can enter your promotional code. Carefully type in your promo code exactly as it was provided to you, making sure to include any capital letters, numbers, or special characters exactly as they appear. Promo codes are case sensitive, so accuracy is important here. After you've entered your code, click the Submit button right below the text field. This will process your promo code and apply any associated benefits to your Tinder account, whether that's a discount on a subscription, bonus features, or other promotional perks. And that's it. You've successfully entered your Tinder promo code, and any associated benefits should now be active on your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.